completely aware that no man is gonna be perfect, but there is a fucking list of things that better be in that man's fucking toolbox if he wants to have a fucking relationship with me. Treatment matters a whole fucking lot. What do I need? What type of treatment? I need nice treatment. I need loving treatment. I need respectful treatment. All three. I need for him to know that family is very important to me. My family means a lot to me, okay? And the day that we start dating, your family will also mean a lot to me eventually, you know? So I just would like the same thing, okay? Literally don't need to like them. All that I'm asking is for you to respect them. I totally understand that everybody has bad days. Everybody has days where they don't want to fucking be here, bitch. But let me just explain something to you. Your general outlook of life better be fucking positive, because a bad day does not mean a bad fucking life. And I can't deal with that negative shit on a fucking daily. I can't do it. I need him to be as clear as motherfucking water, okay? Meaning, do not fucking go around the bush for me. I don't need that nice, sweet talk bullshit. I don't need that shit. Be fucking direct and tell me what it is that you need to tell me. Anything, buddy. Tell me whatever the fuck you need to tell me. Forget I'm your fucking girlfriend. Tell me what you need to tell me. I need him to communicate with me. Meaning that if we have a little ass fucking argument, you are not gonna close off to me, motherfucker. You're gonna open up and you're gonna talk to me. I don't expect him to be a super fucking confident man, because I know that gaining confidence can be hard. But if I am here to help you get some motherfucking confidence into your motherfucking bones and soul, I better see some motherfucking progress, because I'm not dealing with that incompetent, non-confident bullshit for 3 years. I'm not doing it. So get it together. That man better be fucking stable. Okay? There is no fucking way around it. If you need a therapist, go get one. But you better be fucking stable. We all needed a therapist at some point in our lives, okay? I'm not trying to talk shit. But let me explain something to you. There is a whole lot of fucking peace in my life. And you are not about to come up in this bitch, date me, and then take all my stability away, have me fucking losing myself. Yeah, no. I will not spend the duration of our motherfucking relationship trying to be an investigator, okay? So you better be fucking faithful, because if something comes up, there will be no conversation.